I am going to make an asparagus pomegranate chicken. I'm completely making up this recipe, so we'll see how it goes. But my main goal is to make something pretty and fun and delicious. So, I'm going to start with the olive oil. And some chicken, I have some cheese, some Kellogg's Corn Flakes. Okay, change of plan. Asparagus is yucky. We're going to throw that out. Okay, so what we're making is going to be a cheesy pomegranate chicken. So let's start with pounding out the chicken, because we're going to roll it up. So this is a fun thing, although there's a much better instrument that's flat that I'd like to have those on. Okay, so we're going to take the chicken and pound it out. Okay, so now I'm realizing that I need to put something over this chicken because there's chicken that's flying. So I'm going to get some saran wrap. I'm going to get my very, very clean kitchen, keep it that way. Put on some of the saran wrap. Now it's much better. Just smash that chicken right down so that we have a very flat chicken that we can put some cheese, some pomegranates, and roll right up. Now we have this very thin piece of chicken, and I'm going to season it really nicely. Yeah, Mommy. And she's my mommy. I'm going to take some olive oil, salt, and pepper. And she's my mommy. And I'll put some garlic. Always delicious. Fresh ground pepper. Kosher salt. Okay, now what do we do with that pomegranate? I'm going to cut it in half and take the seeds, and I'm going to stick them in that our chicken that I'm going to roll up. Okay, there it is. Beautiful pomegranate. Beautiful seeds. So now we have this beautiful flat chicken with some oil, some salt seasonings, and some pomegranate seeds. Can you know something? Can you use that? Okay, I've got my chicken rolled up, and my son says that it smells good, but it looks gross, so hopefully we'll put it right in here, and we'll get lots of yummy breadcrumbs and other seasonings, and cook it up, and hopefully it will taste delicious. Mom, I'm not sure you. Look how good this looks, and it smells great too, doesn't it?
Okay. My mom, again, my name is Sonia. My name is Silva. Now, we have, I'm going to show you. We have made this good thing. That's what it means.
So this is how it looks inside, cheesy and delicious and wonderful.